creating content feels slow or overwhelming, this video is for you. I'll show you 2 tools that can instantly generate emails, captions, and social media posts. No coding or experience is needed. They're perfect for beginners or entrepreneurs or really anyone trying to create more in less time. The first one I'll show you is the one you can see right now is Write, and we'll start by creating a LinkedIn post. So what you do is you click. They have a drop down. You pick where you wanted to be. We're going to be in LinkedIn. There you go. You can also select your language. You can select the tone of the post or the whatever they're creating for you. You can click variants, how many you want. You can add your audience, which we're going to leave blank. That's optional. But we're talking about AI tools today. And then the key message is what we want to get across in our post is why AI tools save creators 5+ hours a week. So we'll go ahead and pop that in there, and you just click Write for me. And there you go. Real quick, it gives you one variation of a social media post. You can go ahead and copy and paste it right into LinkedIn if you need it. The second thing I'm going to show you here what Write can do is they can also write emails for you. So you'll go over here and just hit the drop down and find the word email. There it is. And again, you can still pick the language, the tone, and you can pick how many different variations they give you. We'll stick with 2 this time, and so we're also going to stick with our AI topics. So introducing you to free AI tools. So that's right there going to be my key point. I'll go ahead and hit Write for me, and it'll populate right here, right below our LinkedIn post we created. So there you have it. A little space separates it up. You have 2 emails right there that you can go ahead and copy and paste right directly into an email with 1 or 2 tweaks. You're ready to go. Now you can see I've switched over to the second tool I'll talk about, which is Writesonic. I'm going to use them to create a Facebook ad. Again, sticking with our AI tools guide, and then I wrote a little description right here, a curated list of no-code tools to speed up content creation. You type it into the prompt, you go ahead and hit enter, and now it's sent, and then it go ahead and brings you to a new page where they're going to show the output. Now you can see it's created a nice post for you, free AI tools guide, no code solutions for content creation. And it just runs down and gives you all the different types of generation, different types of content creation, videos, organization, everything you need right here. Now, Writesonic can also help you write product descriptions. So I went ahead and wrote what I want as a product description, and I want it for an AI system for content creators. And again, we'll just go ahead and hit the same, enter it in the prompt. It brings you to this new page while it thinks. And as you can see, it kind of brought you to this split screen view where here on the left is basically them telling you what they did and how they did it. And on the right here is your product description. So again, what you can do, just like with Write, you can go ahead and copy and paste it, and it's ready to go. And that's it. 4 pieces of content done in under 5 minutes with 0 code and 0 stress. If you want the full list of free AI tools we recommend, just comment content below, and we'll send it to you right away. Thanks for watching.